Hello, fellow YouTubers. It's me, I'm back with another hotel review. This time I am reviewing the Candeo Hotel's Hiroshima Hatchobori, which is in a very happening, busy part of town, within about 20 minutes walk of the Peace Park, the Shukkeien Garden, and Hiroshima Castle. Yeah, so the big three here in Hiroshima. Alright, let me take you on a tour of the room, but before that, let me just briefly mention the first impression, which is really good. The front entrance is a long corridor with the logo glowing incandescently at the end, and then you go to floor 13 to check in. That's where the front desk is. You're also able to, they also offer to store your luggage before your room is ready. And like most Japanese hotels, they enforce the 3 p.m. check-in pretty strictly. So feel free to leave your luggage there and go out and explore the city and then come back at 3. Alright, so the room is very simple. There are 3 of us and we will each have a bed. There are 2 single beds, or twin size beds in this room, and there's 1 sofa bed. Now I've been promised that the sofa is able to transform into a futon. So I'll put that to the test later. When you walk into the rooms, first thing you'll see are the 2 beds, and then the pajamas, or rather the spa uniform sitting on the beds. There are 3 of us here, so there are 3 outfits. They provide these because there is a spa facility on the top floor where they have a male and female bathhouses. Now, people with tattoos, there are specific hours for you guys, which is typical of Japanese spas, because they don't usually allow people with tattoos. And then there's a flat screen TV in front of the bed. And then they do provide, are they complimentary? I think so. Yeah, if it doesn't have a price on it, it's usually complimentary. But I didn't know, so I got a big bottle of water, so this is maybe too much. And what else do they have? They have a fridge, a small fridge down here. Alright, let's check out the toilet. You hang your clothes right over here. Alright. So, pretty kind of standard regulation toilet. What kind of they've got their own brand of soap, made in Italy, no less. And then shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Yep. The boys are all here. They provide toothbrush and toothpaste. Alright. They also provide a hairdryer and the usual Lexo, bidet, control panel. Alright, well, I'm going to check out their spa later, and then I'll share with you my findings. Alright, it is day 3. I've been here for 2 days and 2 nights, so I can say my parting thoughts as opposed to parting shots with a certain degree of confidence. First of all, the room, standard issue size, pretty much what you would expect from a business hotel. It is very clean and very quiet. Those are hugely positive. All the furniture is really polished, clean, not much sign of wear and tear. The amenities are kind of threadbare, nothing out of the ordinary, but nothing below what is ordinary either. Now, where they truly shine is their onsen on the 14th floor, which has two sections, an interior pool and an outdoors pool. And they're quite sizable actually for a non-hot spring hotel. I was quite impressed by the size and condition of their onsen. There's a small cold plunge, and then next to it a larger hot pool, and then outdoors. And there's a pool that is directly exposed to the elements upward and then surrounded by glass, so you can see really far into the distance. The building we're in is, I think, one of the tallest, so you can see past all the other surrounding buildings and into the distant mountains. So it's a really nice view. So be sure to experience the onsen. Just a couple of additional random things in no particular order. The shower strength is really good. Sometimes it's a kind of a crapshoot. Sometimes you get a weak shower, but this one is very invigorating. So all in all, for about $110 per night for 3 people during shoulder season, this is a great place to stay. And also, not to mention, the location is very nice. It's actually quite centrally located. Just down the street there's a supermarket called Yours, and Don Quixote is also just down the street, and of course Lawson, 7-Eleven, Family Mart are just within a stone's throw. And also outside is the light rail system that will take you to the Peace Park or the dock to go on to the Miyajima Island. So everything considered, I give this place a 7 out of 10. Well, that is all I have. So thank you for watching. So hopefully you found this helpful, give you a basic understanding of what to expect if you come to this hotel. Alright, well, thank you very much again. I hope to see you in the next hotel review. Goodbye.